Welcome back to my channel.
I can't imagine doing that.
I can't imagine doing that.
Can I make a reservation for golf?
Can I make a reservation for golf?
I'll fix it now.
I'll fix it now.
I think one of these is Tom's.
I think one of these is Tom's.
I'm looking forward to seeing you dance.
I'm looking forward to seeing you dance.
It's as good as done.
It's as good as done.
The guard was on duty all night.
The guard was on duty all night.
Why does Tom do it?
Why does Tom do it?
He lowered the curtain.
He lowered the curtain.
Tom helped Mary clean the bathtub.
Tom helped Mary clean the bathtub.
This stuff is dynamite.
This stuff is dynamite.
I want to change the PIN number.
I want to change the PIN number.
Tom was found dead in his study.
Tom was found dead in his study.
It's not that high off the ground.
It's not that high off the ground.
Tom told me what he wants.
Tom told me what he wants.
He went to New York on business.
He went to New York on business.
Tom barely made it in time.
Tom barely made it in time.
He didn't mean to hurt you.
He didn't mean to hurt you.
You're not old enough to drink.
You're not old enough to drink.
Perhaps that would be possible.
Perhaps that would be possible.
I thought that was fun.
I thought that was fun.
Kate's father is near the house.
Kate's father is near the house.
I didn't give him a choice.
I didn't give him a choice.
Can you believe the smell?
Can you believe this smell?
It wouldn't make any difference.
It wouldn't make any difference.
I've always distrusted her.
I've always distrusted her.
Mr. Brown is a doctor.
Mr. Brown is a doctor.
You can go back to work now.
You can go back to work now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
They all cried out together.
They all cried out together.
Bill did nothing else but joke.
Bill did nothing else but joke.
That's no longer possible.
That's no longer possible.
You used to love chess.
You used to love chess.
Kids can be kids.
Kids can be kids.
I'm going to return this to Tom.
I'm going to return this to Tom.
Tom has nice skin.
Tom has nice skin.
The lights glare terribly.
The lights glare terribly.
Tom's mom raised him by herself.
Tom's mom raised him by herself.
Does she live near you, sir?
Does she live near you, sir?
I'll call back at 4 o'clock.
I'll call back at 4 o'clock.
I work until I can't anymore.
I work until I can't anymore.
Tom put on his backpack.
Tom put on his backpack.
Please leave me alone. I am busy.
Please leave me alone. I am busy.
I'm free this evening.
I'm free this evening.
Get back to work.
Get back to work.
We all need more sleep.
We all need more sleep.
He didn't understand me.
He didn't understand me.
There's no need to speak so loudly.
There's no need to speak so loudly.
I had to respect Tom's wishes.
I had to respect Tom's wishes.
Tom has been diagnosed with bipolar disorder.
Tom has been diagnosed with bipolar disorder.
He overcame many difficulties.
He overcame many difficulties.
She's quite a handful.
She's quite a handful.
They are indifferent to politics.
They are indifferent to politics.
I haven't put on the jacket yet.
I haven't put on the jacket yet.
What is in the backpack?
What is in the backpack?
I'll see him next Friday.
I'll see him next Friday.
Do you think I still love her?
Do you think I still love her?
Where the hell have you been, Tom?
Where the hell have you been, Tom?
One is responsible for one's own words.
One is responsible for one's own words.
He tends to get angry over trifles.
He tends to get angry over trifles.
He went by bicycle.
He went by bicycle.
Please open the door.
Please open the door.
He must have taken the wrong train.
He must have taken the wrong train.
Tom needs some time.
Tom needs some time.
Maybe I should go talk to Tom.
Maybe I should go talk to Tom.
Tom often argues with Mary.
Tom often argues with Mary.
I must see her.
I must see her.
After the stop, the train accelerated quickly.
After the stop, the train accelerated quickly.
Sorry, I have other things to do.
Sorry, I have other things to do.
Tom looks a bit shaken.
Tom looks a bit shaken.
We should have asked more questions.
We should have asked more questions.
He's hung like a horse.
He's hung like a horse.
Maybe you should stop reading romance novels.
Maybe you should stop reading romance novels.
I could have sworn I saw somebody.
I could have sworn I saw somebody.
They hurried by without a glance.
They hurried by without a glance.
Cats are fickle creatures.
Cats are fickle creatures.
We are going to build a wall.
We are going to build a wall.
I have other cards up my sleeve.
I have other cards up my sleeve. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
You must answer these questions.
You must answer these questions.
I don't deserve it.
I don't deserve it.
I'm all for it.
I'm all for it.
I am heating the dinner.
I am heating the dinner.
I won't ask why you want it.
I won't ask why you want it.
I cannot answer your question.
I cannot answer your question.
I know what you were doing.
I know what you were doing.
Tom went out to his car.
Tom went out to his car.
You need a taxi, don't you?
You need a taxi, don't you?
I was seen to cross the street.
I was seen to cross the street.
They are my grandfather's books.
They are my grandfather's books.
One of answers is correct.
One of answers is correct.
My hobby is music.
My hobby is music.
Can you believe this place?
Can you believe this place?
The human mind is magnificent.
The human mind is magnificent.
Speak Italian. I can't understand German.
Speak Italian. I can't understand German.
It's not what we expected.
It's not what we expected.
Where did you smoke them?
Where did you smoke them?
Tom tripped on something.
Tom tripped on something.
Here's where the fun begins.
Here's where the fun begins.
To the Hilton Hotel, please.
To the Hilton Hotel, please.
Her favorite band is Warpaint.
Her favorite band is Warpaint.
Tom has one son and two daughters.
Tom has one son and two daughters.
Sometimes, life is difficult and painful.
Sometimes, life is difficult and painful.
Tom went to Boston to study art.
Tom went to Boston to study art.
I think Tom didn't tell us everything.
I think Tom didn't tell us everything.
I had completely forgotten about that.
I had completely forgotten about that.
They gave us their word.
They gave us their word.
I can't believe you called Tom fat.
I can't believe you called Tom fat.
We have to have hope.
We have to have hope.
Eat your soup, please.
Eat your soup, please.
I haven't unpacked my clothes yet.
I haven't unpacked my clothes yet.
Do we have it in us?
Do we have it in us?
He is clever but tricky.
He is clever but tricky.
I want to learn standard English.
I want to learn standard English.
Can you pick it up?
Can you pick it up?
This party is dull.
This party is dull.
I made you a pair of mittens.
I made you a pair of mittens.
All his friends backed his plan.
All his friends backed his plan.
The front door was wide open.
The front door was wide open. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
Mathematics is the queen of the sciences.
Mathematics is the queen of the sciences.
They were carelessly unaware of the danger.
They were carelessly unaware of the danger.
Tom may have gone already.
Tom may have gone already.
John and Eva are best friends.
John and Eva are best friends.
It's just a theory.
It's just a theory.
I'm out of here.
I'm out of here.
I would have to agree with Tom.
I would have to agree with Tom.
I wish I were in Boston now.
I wish I were in Boston now.
Why are Tom and Mary laughing?
Why are Tom and Mary laughing?
I'm getting ahead of myself.
I'm getting ahead of myself.
Tom gave his son some fatherly advice.
Tom gave his son some fatherly advice.
She didn't want to fight no more.
She didn't want to fight no more.
I refused to consent to that plan.
I refused to consent to that plan.
Keep quiet in bed for a while.
Keep quiet in bed for a while.
It was nothing serious.
It was nothing serious.
The small dog tried to get away.
The small dog tried to get away.
I dropped them off at Kanda.
I dropped them off at Kanda.
Tom made a bad decision.
Tom made a bad decision.
Attach this label to your package.
Attach this label to your package.
I just finished breakfast.
I just finished breakfast.
Tom has a sore knee.
Tom has a sore knee.
How can we find him?
How can we find him?
Tom painted the door white.
Tom painted the door white.
Tom drank too much wine.
Tom drank too much wine.
Is the bird flu eradicated?
Is the bird flu eradicated?
Are you a secretive person?
Are you a secretive person?
I found her letter in the mailbox.
I found her letter in the mailbox.
It was so beautiful.
It was so beautiful.
I do make mistakes.
I do make mistakes.
Let's build a dike.
Let's build a dike.
I hear my uncle died of cancer.
I hear my uncle died of cancer.
I knew I'd seen it before.
I knew I'd seen it before.
I didn't realize Tom was your father.
I didn't realize Tom was your father.
I bought these biscuits at the grocer's.
I bought these biscuits at the grocer's.
Let's order 20 kebabs.
Let's order 20 kebabs.
You don't look like a millionaire.
You don't look like a millionaire.
Tom was a friend of my father's.
Tom was a friend of my father's.